If you're an entrepreneur or an expert or a creator or a coach or somebody that wants to start an online education business and you're wondering, what are the 3 core things that I need to focus on if I want to actually grow my business? And I want it to be easy where I can work less than 2 hours a day and I can make, a recurring, let's say $30,000 per month and have, fun doing it. I've got here on the board, I'm going to turn my camera around here. I want to show you what these 3 things are real quick. And if you have any questions or you want to see my masterclass, the free one, you can just go to makeonce.com. But check out these 3 things. So number 1 is you need to attract, right? So you need to create some long form content. I usually do like a long video that's about less than 15 minutes, just covering some topic out of my roadmap here, okay? Then I take that long form, I chop it up into short form, 3 to 5 shorts, and then I go live maybe an hour, 2 hours a day, depending if it's good. And then I launch out a value train video to my list. We're driving all of this traffic over to the conversion phase, where I just use a simple 4-page funnel. I build my email list, and I send out some automated emails. And then my value train consists of daily emails that go out because of videos like this one. And then I put those on a page where I, basically show them something how to do out of my perfect product roadmap here. And then I simply just drive them over to my buy page here, okay? Now I charge $97 per month for my program. You can go anywhere between this right here. Seems to work pretty good. You get to 1,000 members at $97 a month. Most people can live pretty good on that. And if you can do that, you can get to a lot of other places. So the product that you want to create in the delivery phase, so this is phase 3 after we've converted them, you want to do this hybrid online education model. It's where you basically have a program that's going to help somebody make a transformation, get them from basically where they're in a current situation that they don't like to a desired situation that they like. Then what I do is I offer 2-hour Zooms twice a week. So I got to work 4 hours a week once I have my program up. My program consists of 3 phases: raw materials, automated machine, traffic engine, and then 9 pillars. Okay, so there's 9 core pillars here. Okay, I can show you over here, what these pillars are, right? So this is kind of a rundown of what those pillars are. Then what I do is each one of those pillars has 27 modules. So what you've got there is you've got a really great online education product. And what's nice about this is you will create one of these roadmaps. So when you're trying to create content over here, you never run out of ideas because you just pull it out of this source right here. So, one of the things that a lot of people want is they want to stop trading their time for money. They're not happy, and because we work, not happy with their job, okay? And we work 25% of our life. So can you imagine just not being happy for a quarter of your life? People don't have any freedom. They don't have an offer, which we just went over what to offer here. They don't have any guide or roadmap. They don't know what to do, which is why we created this. And there's all this tech and guru overload. They get tired of that, and they're tired of buying expensive courses. So if you just go here, you'll find that I've got a free training. And in that free training, I break down all of this right here. Okay? You're going to learn how you can make 30 grand a month recurring revenue, how to build an online hybrid education business working less than 2 hours a day, where you can transform people's lives and you can work from anywhere doing what you love. So if that interests you, you might want to go check that out. And if you have any questions about anything we just covered, just let me know down in the comments.